folks. Um, Today we're going to be working on a chicken tractor, something small enough that I can move around easily. So I'm thinking 16 feet by 5. It's going to have some wheels on one end and kind of wheelbarrow handles on the other, and it'll be kind of a hoop structure. So this is what we got. We need a pressure treated 2x6, 16 feet long. That's what I got here. And I ripped it in half. So we got two pieces that are about 2 3/4 wide. Some pieces for the width. We got 5 foot here and 5 foot minus 3 inches here for the thickness because it's going on the inside. And I'll set that just in a rough spot there. Same thing here. That'll get nailed in from the ends, and then this last one overlaps. Then we're going to want to do the wheel on the end. So I cut that back a little bit, so that when this whole thing tips up like this, it won't dig in. And then we're going to put this, I cut this piece, we're going to put this on. I got the holes drilled already for some bolts. I'm going to put that on like that. And then the wheel will be, I'll drill a hole through there, put a rod across, and the wheel will be on here. So that way when you tip it up, the wheel will be engaged, and you can just pull it or push it. I screened the bottom of the coop so the chickens can get at the grass, but they can't dig holes in the lawn. These rails are necessary to lift the coop, but there will also be a place for the chickens to roost and a place for you to sit if you want to visit with them. Inside there's 4 roosting boxes where they can lay eggs and 2 rails that they can roost on. And I can close the door on those really cold winter days or nights, and it'll stay a little warmer in there because it's kind of insulated. After I put the washer and nut on, I peen over the threads a little bit to keep the nut from working its way off when the wheels roll. Those are some happy chickens. Please like and subscribe.